Cracks, fogginess, leaks. It's time to replace that old skylight. Solatube provides fast, reliable service to swap it out with the perfect product. The process is easy. We have a dedicated team that's ready to set up your appointment. Then, our certified installation consultants will come out to your home, get necessary measurements, and work with you to choose from our styles. Then, we'll remove your old skylight and install your beautiful new one. It's that easy to create the gorgeous interior you've been missing, full of inspiring, natural light. Call us now to get immediate response to your skylight replacement needs and get the right skylight right now.